He better conquer the system.
I will conquer this machine before the end of the day. That's some dirty ass water over there. And you were right, the shit is filthy. I wish we did something like this earlier, and I hope we get to do it again because I'm having a real good time. Here comes Dave Biama on in here. Look at it! There's the man!
LeBeau on a stand-up jet ski that he is going to try to attempt to ride. Good luck, Sandy. We'll try next month. Go ahead, Sandy, do it.
Hey, Dave!
Come on.
Kiss my ass!
You could do it. Sandy will try to attempt it again.